Hello everyone, welcome back to UGC channel. In this video, I will be addressing about the debate which was triggered around in the month of October related to making PhD degree mandatory for the post of assistant professor at universities in the current education system. Let me brief you the news. The debate which thumped recently was due to the press release of UGC made in the year 2018 that the PhD was supposed to be made mandatory with effect from 1st July 2021. But due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation and rising vacant faculty post, which is around 6,000 at central universities, this mandate has been brought down with the recent UGC Amendment of 2021. And confirming this, Dharmendra Pradhan, who is a Union Education Minister, has stated that making PhD degree mandatory for the post of assistant professor at universities is not favorable in the current education system. Now, let's have a look on UGC Press Release of 2018. So, to attract and retain the best quality teachers in universities and colleges, the UGC came up with this press release, and according to which PhD degree was to be made mandatory from July 2021 for promotion of assistant professor in colleges, whereas PhD was supposed to be made mandatory for direct recruitment to assistant professor in universities from July 2021. So there were basically two rules which stated that PhD to be mandatory, firstly for the promotion in colleges, secondly for the direct recruitment to universities from July 2021. But the situation of COVID-19 pandemic has delayed several things and which has resulted into the non-implementation of this requirement. Let's have a look at why doing PhD will become vital in coming years. See, PhDs are an essential part of the knowledge economy. It is a degree meant for those who seek greater depth of knowledge in a specific area. There are several assistant professors who start their PhDs while working but leave midway because it is not necessary as per the current rules. So making PhD mandatory will only reinforce the fact that teaching is not an easy job and only dedicated candidates must enter the field. So this is one outlook that favors the PhD. But on the other side of the situation, the candidates must be judged on the different qualities, like including their teaching abilities and excellence in academics. Hence, PhD shouldn't be made the sole criteria for recruiting assistant professor. So these are the two facets of the present situation of making the PhD mandatory. Now, there is an important announcement for you that UGC Academy is going to run a 3-day workshop on 7th, 8th and 9th of Jan. This workshop is dedicated for all law students who want to explore the career opportunities in law domain. Moreover, there will be a discussion regarding those earning options which you may opt while pursuing your studies also. So please see the details regarding the workshop given in the description box and get yourself registered for free. Now finally, let's see the notice which was released recently on 12th of October 2021. It states that in view of COVID-19 pandemic, the mandatory requirement of PhD for direct recruitment of assistant professor has been extended from July 2021 to July 2023. Hence, from July 2023, the PhD will be mandatory if you want to become assistant professor in universities. So you can also refer this notice on the UGC website also, right? So this is just a one-page amendment and you can go through that amendment. Let's have a final takeaway. We all are very much aware that research is an important aspect. It generates knowledge, it provides useful information and it helps in decision making. And as per National Education Policy 2020, research will be infused in UG courses also. So without a research, a person won't be able to develop for long run. Hence, research is an essential for the development purposes. On the other hand, due to COVID situation, the extension of PhD requirement up till June 2023 seems to be a harmless approach of UGC. Hence, let's just leave on time and government policies to see any adverse or positive response of making PhD degree mandatory in teaching sector. Thank you for watching this video and we love to hear your views on making PhD mandatory degree for becoming assistant professor. Hit like button and do share this video and subscribe with UGC Academy to get the further updates.